Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating paper on natural nuclear fission reactors in Gabon. It's mind-blowing stuff, really. The Oklo and Bangombe deposits, specifically, two unique places on Earth where natural nuclear reactors actually operated billions of years ago.
Wow, natural nuclear reactors? That sounds incredible. So what makes these sites so special? How did that even happen?
Right. It's all about the right conditions. The Franceville basin in Gabon had a high concentration of uranium-235, much higher than we see today. Remember, U-235 is the fissile isotope needed for nuclear reactions. Plus, the geological conditions were just right. Sufficient water to act as a moderator, and the right temperature and pressure to sustain a chain reaction. It was a critical event in a geologic system, as the paper puts it.
So essentially, a naturally occurring nuclear power plant? Amazing! But how long did these reactors operate?
The paper focuses on the migration of actinides and fission products, which helps us understand the reactor's history. They were active for a considerable period, over 2 billion years ago, and the study highlights two main migration periods. One during the initial criticality at around 400 to 500 degrees Celsius and 300 bars, and another much later due to a geological distension event.
A distension event? What does that mean?
Yeah, that's a significant point. About 800 to 900 million years ago, the Franceville basin underwent a period of geological stress and fracturing, leading to the intrusion of dolerite dikes near the reactor zones. This significantly impacted the migration of the fission products.
So, the initial reactor activity and the later geological event both influenced the distribution of the fission products? What about the retention of these products? Where did they end up?
Exactly. The study delves into that. The UO2 matrix, the uranium dioxide, was surprisingly effective at retaining many actinides and fission products, like rare earth elements, yttrium, and zirconium, but not all of them. Volatile elements like cadmium, cesium, xenon, and krypton escaped, as did rubidium, strontium, and barium.
Interesting. So some elements were more mobile than others. What about the role of other minerals?
That's a key part of the research. The paper suggests that clays and phosphate minerals also played a role in retaining some fission products, particularly rare earth elements and even plutonium. It's a complex interplay of factors influencing the final distribution.
This is truly fascinating. It's almost like a natural experiment in nuclear waste disposal, showing us how some elements are retained over geological timescales. I wonder if this research has implications for current nuclear waste management strategies.
Absolutely. Understanding the long-term behavior of fission products in these natural reactors is incredibly valuable. It provides insights into potential long-term storage solutions for our own nuclear waste. The paper mentions similarities between the metallic and oxide inclusions in the Oklo UO2 and those found in artificial spent fuel, which is a very important observation.
I see. So this research isn't just about understanding a geological curiosity, it has real-world applications. It's amazing how much we can learn from studying these ancient natural reactors.
Precisely. This research highlights the power of interdisciplinary science, combining geology, chemistry, nuclear physics, and more to unravel a truly remarkable natural phenomenon. And that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.